Today we're talking about ValidMind. Not your ValidMind, not mine. It's a startup from Palo Alto, California. Yep, Bay Area, startup heaven, called ValidMind. It's again got AI. It's I guess, SaaS company. What the heck do they do with a name like that? Well, it's from my former industry, financial services. They do risk management for financial services. And yeah, there's all kinds of competition in this space, but there's also always room for improvement, and there's new regulations and new ways of valuing risk and assessing risk or whatever. So there's always room. So we have this player, ValidMind.com, product market fit. They might have it. They raised a bunch of money for a seed round, $8.1 million. Yeah, so they could possibly have product market fit. Again, risk management for financial services, it's a pain point, constantly a pain point. Assessing your, holdings, your assets is always a game, and the rules change, and whatever guidance can change from your lawyers, from your accountants, regulators, so all kinds of pressures. So if there's a better way to do it and leveraging AI, I'm sure companies would be open to hearing about it. So obviously, financial services companies is their industry where they're going to sell to. An indication, along with the size of the seed round that they raised, excuse me, is that they got a very significant venture capitalist to lead this round called Point72 Ventures. They're a significant player. So this company, obviously, I would take more seriously than maybe somebody who raised, $1 million, $1.5 million, $2 million. So a couple of reasons to feel a little more optimistic. Yeah, there's always room for a good, competent risk assessor, risk company for financial services companies. But point 72, excuse me, point 72 add some credibility here. So I think I mentioned it's a seed round, but a lot of money for a seed round, especially for a SaaS company. Total funding, they've raised over $11 million, 11.1 to be exact, which tells me, my basic math tells me that take out the 8.1 they just raised for the seed, they've raised, 3 million previously in a pre-seed or angel investors or whatever. So there's some strong support for this idea, for this startup. And they've, I don't know about the founders themselves, but at a high level, they have some pedigree that gives them credibility. So maybe possibly more likely to succeed than others, but we'll see. They're going to have to get patents to support, be their moat, and they're going to have to work very closely with, the companies they're going to want to sell to make sure they're meeting the needs. Market size, yeah, a lot of financial services company, and if they're starting in New York, let's say, well, then that will cascade to other companies. New York will set the trend, and then everyone else will just follow suit around the world. So yeah, possible huge opportunity. Maybe this is the right company. I do like the name. I'm not gonna lie. ValidMind, cool name. So I wish this team luck. We'll have to see how this all fleshes out. But that's all I have for this time. Hopefully you're getting some value out of these. Again, tell me what I need to do to make them more interesting, more valuable, so that if you're in the startup and entrepreneur kind of space and you're looking to raise money, I can add some value to you and give you some insight into what's happening, at least with these early stage companies. Okay, that's it for today. Have a good one. We'll see you next time.